Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, on today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to remove a blunt end of an extension. As a beginner, if you want to probably make use of an extension, how to remove the blunt end. This is an old extension I have at home. Just want to show you guys quick way to remove your blunt end of your extension. So let's get right to it. And as a beginner, you have to work with smaller portion so that you won't get to waste all your extension while trying to remove the blunt ends. Can you see the way I'm removing them? Little by little. Little by little. Looking at the ends. Can you see the ends? So the next, you have to remove it this way. A one brush it out gently. This is the end result of it. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, comment and share, and most especially don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get notified of anytime I post a video. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye.